Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an invoice customized template on Odoo. This is useful if you want your invoices to look more professional, match your company branding, and include the correct business details before sending them to customers. We'll begin from the home screen in Odoo. From there, open the accounting app. This is where you'll find the tools needed to control how your invoices look and how your business information appears on official documents. Since invoices are often shared with customers, vendors, and accounting teams, having a clean and branded invoice layout can make your business look more organized and trustworthy. Once you're inside accounting, go to Configuration and then click Settings. In the Settings area, select General Settings. This section contains the broader options that affect your accounting documents and overall layout preferences. These settings help control how your documents appear across different accounting workflows, so it is a good place to manage invoice design and company information. Now click Configure Document Layout. This is the key area where you can customize the appearance of your invoice template. Odoo gives you a live layout editor, which makes it easier to preview changes as you work. This is helpful because you can see how your invoice will look before using it with real customers. Start by editing the layout. This is where you can adjust the overall structure and visual style of the invoice so it better matches your company branding. For example, you may want a simple layout for a service business or a more detailed layout if your invoices include many products, descriptions, or pricing lines. After that, edit the tables. This usually affects how line items, totals, and pricing information are displayed, so make sure the format looks clean and easy to read. A clear table layout helps customers quickly understand what they are being charged for, including quantities, prices, taxes, discounts, and totals. Next, edit the text in the template. This is useful for refining labels, headings, or any wording that appears on the invoice. Keep the language professional and consistent with your brand. For example, you can make sure terms like invoice number, due date, payment terms, and total amount are easy to understand. Then, add your logo. A logo helps make the invoice look more polished and recognizable. It also gives your document a stronger brand identity, especially when customers download the invoice as a PDF or receive it by email. After that, change the colors to align the template with your company's visual identity. Choose colors that look professional and still keep the invoice readable. Try to avoid colors that are too bright or hard to read, especially around totals, headings, and important payment details. Continue by adding your address. Then include a tagline if your business uses one. These details help make the invoice feel complete and properly branded. Your address also helps customers identify your company clearly, especially if you work with multiple branches, offices, or business locations. Next, choose a paper format. This is important because it affects how the invoice will look when printed or exported as a PDF. So, select the format that best fits your business needs. For example, some businesses may use A4, while others may prefer letter size depending on their country or customer requirements. After that, add your tax ID. This is often required for legal and accounting purposes, depending on your region. Then type in your bank account information, so the invoice includes payment details for customers. Adding accurate payment information can reduce confusion and make it easier for customers to pay on time. Next, click on the QR code option to add it. A QR code can be helpful for faster payment processing or quick access to invoice-related information, depending on how your Odoo setup is configured. This can make the payment process smoother, especially for customers who prefer quick digital access. Once everything looks the way you want, click Continue. At this point, your customized invoice template is ready, and you can easily choose that customized template for a customer when needed. This means you can use the same professional layout again and again without recreating it every time. Before finishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the layout one more time to make sure all details are accurate, aligned, and easy to read. Check the logo, address, tax ID, bank details, table format, colors, and paper size before using the template for real invoices. A well-designed invoice not only looks professional, but also helps create a better experience for your customers. It makes your payment process clearer, improves your brand presentation, and helps customers understand the invoice details without confusion.